Hi, welcome to clickmeprojects.com. Now we are going to see structured learning of human interaction in TV shows. Here it is an abstract for learning of human interaction. As the title of the paper suggests, we are interested in modeling human interaction, focusing on the recognition of interaction between two peoples. In particular, we deal with the four symmetrical interaction classes such as handshake, high five, hugs, and kisses. The interaction classes are symmetric since the people involved in the more or less perform same body interaction. As the advantage of the implementing the person interaction descriptor is, depending on the camera angle, both the persons are always visible in a given frame, and we could be able to provide the classification events in this instantiation. As the first stage, we track all upper bodies and heads in the videos using tracking by deduction approach. After combining the deduction with the KLT tracking and click partitioning together with occlusion deduction to yield robust person tracks, we develop local descriptor of activities based on head orientation and local spatio-temporal region around them. Here it is a flowchart for a structured learning of human interaction. Now we going to give an input as a video file. After getting a video file, it going to split as a frames. After getting a frames, we going to split the frames as individually and going to train the faces. After getting a train faces data set, and we going to detect the upper body detection by using a KLT trapping and a click partitioning method. We going to track an upper body detection. After getting the upper body detection, we going to analyze how the head orientation was. The head orientation was consist of three types. First one is an head right profile left and profile right and backwards. The backward is totally abnormal, which is going to eliminate at an output. After getting the frontal left and frontal right, we are going to apply the profile left and profile right. After we getting the head orientation result, we are going to apply the interaction type. There is four types of interaction types. There is first one is a head hug, and second one is a handshake, third one is a high five, and fourth one is kisses. We're going to analyze what type of an interaction it is and going to print which type of an interaction it was. Now I am going to show the running procedure of human interaction activities. First of all, start from the video input of Java, because the interaction file is present on a video file. So that's only I am going to give the interaction file as interaction video file as an input. I am going to I already download 100 number of video files from already present in a paper. Now I am going to select first of all I am going to select each video file, and I am going to get the frames from that video file. After selecting a video file, I am going to select from where the output video going to present on it. I am going to save the file frames in split folder. Now I am get the frames from each and every second. Now the FPS of the video is 23, so I am going to calculate 23 FPS frames from video file. After getting the frames, I am going to list out what are the file name of the each and every frames. Now I am going to calculate the faces for each and every frames. Now I am going to select each frame from our get output split folder. Now I am going to made a train faces, so I am going to apply faint.jar. Now I am going to open the split each frame from output folder, and I am going to present the train file of faces. After getting the frames, I'm going to detect how the face is going to present on my video slide. After drag and select the person images, I'm going to recognize each file individually. After getting the faces, I'm going to just close the windows. I'm going to estimate the head pose of each and every data sets. By clicking load frames, I'm getting the video file frames by each and every frames. After getting the load frames, I'm going to load the annotation file. The annotation file consists of the each and every file bounding box methodology, and also what the interaction going to present on it. After selecting the each frame, I am going to find the upper body elimination. Here there is only one person in the image, so it only find the particular images from the person. After getting the upper body, I am going to select on a head pose. The head pose is used to how the face is going to be present on it. I am going the same procedure to get the frames. After getting the frames, I am going to load the annotation file. After load the annotation file, I am going to measure the head pose. It consists of only one person in the given frames, so I am going to select the 0th person. It will return the front left. The front left means it is a head pose of the person. The same methodology going to apply on each and every frames. In this video, it consists of the 16 number of frames. So we going to analyze how much number of frames are it. For suppose we going to analyze annotation head pose for this frame. Just click the head pose person and get the head pose of the person. After getting the head pose, we going to analyze the interaction. After getting the interaction file, I am going to select an annotation file. After the values are calculated, so I am going to calculate the frame related to that frame number. I'm get the annotation file number. Now if the handshake is present, after clicking the get interaction, the interaction name will display on the window.